Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to easily delete a footer on your Wix website. So basically what does this mean, a footer? So this is just a section of your website. So let's say for example I want to delete a follow us footer in here, right? So what do you basically do? You need to choose every single object inside of this footer and just press on delete. And now you can just bring it up like this and it's gone now. And the second way of doing this is actually from the left panel here. So if you want to do it from the panel, just go to Pages and Menu. And let's say I want to delete my footer from my home page. You just click on three dots. You go to Settings, you go to Layout. And as you can see, we have a choice between the standard, where we have the header at the top and the footer at the bottom. Or you can choose no header and footer. So you just press on this button like that. And now as you can see, our website is changed and it no longer has the footer. As you can see, it looks kind of actually more clean, to be honest, like this. And if you want to bring it back, just press undo. And now you have your footer once again. So this is how it's done, guys. Either delete it or hide it, whichever you want to go for. Enjoy. If this helps guys, like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorial.